जुमा है, थोड़ा रुकू कर ले। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम व आलिहि व सहबिहि अजमईन। इन्नल्लाहा व मलाइकतहु युसल्लूना अलन नबी या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू सल्लू अलैहि व सल्लिमू तस्लीमा। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व अला आलि सय्यिदिना मुहम्मद व बारिक वसल्लिम कमा तुहिब्बु व तुर्दी अन तुसल्ली अलैहि सलातन व सलामन अलैहि रसूलिल्लाह। I would like to congratulate you for the greater day of the week, Jumatul Mubarakah. As a slave of Allah, it is a matter of congratulation. But as a Sunni and lover of Prophet, congratulations. The birth of the Prophet in Rabiul Awwal. Awwal, born in Awwal. And he gave me Islam. Islam is a religion of peace, forgiveness, brotherhood and justice. Originally Islam, in the period of Prophet Muhammad, original Islam in Siddiq Akbar, in Maula Ali, in Imam Hussain, in Ghaus Azam, in Gharib Nawaz. Original Islam in Zakaria Munzari. Original Islam in Datalaburi. Original Islam Sarkar Lakshman, Akai Sobalpur. Original Islam in Mahbub Ilahi. Original Islam in Sultan Babu. And original Islam mentioned by Imam Ahmad. Islam is a religion. You will find the Islam in the religion. Islam is not organization. Every badness, cruelty, hate, communal outlook, every bad thing that is in organization, not in religion. Terror, hate, superior inferior mentality, differences of color mentality, that is in organization, not in religion. Entire world suffering from terror. Why are you not trying to find out the organization of terrorism? And you know ISIS organization, you know Al-Qaeda organization, you know Taliban organization. So why are you not trying to find out their parents? Who is mother of ISIS? This terrorism in which place born? That is in Makkah? No. In Medina? No. In Najd. This hardliners, extremists, torture like in nature, giving tension, disaster, problems to others. This mentality was in Najd. They came in the power, they demolished 60,000 Sahaba and Tabain graves. That was the biggest terrorism. And they demolished more than 300 mosques in Makkah and Medina. They are mother of terrorism. So why you are not changing the government of Saudi? Why are you not introducing democracy in Saudi Arab? Saudi Arab is a mother of, they are giving oil, petrodollar, supporting the extremists. They are responsible. In India, a terror group born in Naxalbari. Naxalbari is the name of village. Indian says this is Naxal terrorism. Born in Naxalbari, the Naxal terrorism. Some terrorists born in Nagaland in India. India says this is not Hindu terrorism. This is Naga terrorism. This is not Hindu terrorism. This is Naxal terrorism. They nominated who is terrorist? Naxal terrorism, Boldo terrorism, Naga terrorism, but they are not saying Hindu terrorism. So why do you not say Najdi terrorism, not Islamic terrorism? You save your Islam, as India saved Hinduism. They fixed the name. This terrorism belongs to Naxal. This terrorism belongs to Nagaland. This terrorism belongs to Boldo, not Hinduism. Why are you not saying this terrorism belongs to Saudi? This terrorism belongs to Najdi. This terrorism belongs to Wahhabi, not Islam. Please come out and save your religion. There is no place of terrorism in Islam. Not only in Islam. This is the member and responsible place. I challenge everyone. There is no place of terrorism in any religion. Entire world, so many religions, no place of terrorism in any religion. Religion came in this world for the peace of the heart, for the purification of the heart. How terrorism can take place? But look, Islam, based upon 5 pillars. Tawheed means Iman. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. This is Tawheed. I have no more time here to explain what is Tawheed. Iman. Second, namaz, roza, hajj, zakat. 5 pillars. I don't know another religion who based upon any pillar, but I know about Islam based upon 5 pillars. I born in India and I saw so many people, they so are religious. I tried to see, is there any pillar? No pillar. How can you make building without pillar? But Islam has pillar, 5 pillars. Building mazboot. Very strong building because based upon pillar. And this is Tawheed. And your focus upon your 5 fingers. Look your 5 fingers. Thumbs up. Thank you. Iman, Namaz, Roza, Hajj, Zakat. These are 4. Namaz, Roza, Hajj, Zakat. 4. United like this. You are 4 fingers, no separate, but separate. No separate in line. No separate in queue, no separate as a farz, no separate as a compulsory, but separate as an individual. Namaz alag, roza alag, hajj alag, zakat alag, saat alag. नमाज में सब आते हैं ना, नमाज पढ़ते हैं 7 और हैं अलग। अली में मौलवी है, मुफ्ती है, बिजनेसमैन है, वर्कर है, लेबर है, अलग। नमाज में खड़ा है 7। यही तो इस्लाम है कि अलग अलग को कर देता है 7। शॉर्टेज ऑफ टाइम में नहीं, और बहुत बार मुझे मालूम है 5:21 अगर वो 5 ले लूं तो आपको यू कैन गिव मी 5 मिनट्स। 5 तो दोगे ही, मैं 5 की औलाद हूं। तुम पंचकर्णी हो, क्यों नहीं दोगे? इसलिए लुक, नमाज रोजा अलग 7, right? But this finger can't hurt another finger. इसका फेस इसके फेस नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि वो सब अलग अलग फर्ज है, मिलेंगे नहीं। नमाज पढ़ोगे, नमाज अदा होगी, रोजा नहीं अदा होगा। रोजा रखोगे तो रोजा ही अदा होगा, रोजे से हज नहीं होगा। हज करोगे तो हज ही होगा, ज़कात नहीं होगी। ये सब अलग अलग, अगर इसको टर्मिनोलॉजी में कहा जाए तो ये सारी चारों इबादतें मकसूदा मफरूजा, ये इबादत चारों की चारों अलग अलग अवर टारगेट एंड कंपल्सरी। ये नमाज रोजे से मिलती है, रोजा हज से, हज ज़कात से, और ये ईमान इससे सब मिलते हैं। नमाज मिल गया, रोजा मिल गया, हज मिल गया, ज़कात मिल गई, ईमान से सब मिलते हैं। तो अब नमाज को पाना है, रोजे को पाना है, यू वांट हज, यू वांट ज़कात, यू लाइक नमाज, you perform salah, you perform hajj, तो be मोमिन फर्स्ट। ईमान वाले पहले बनो, ईमान होगा तो नमाज मिलेगी। अब ये ईमान ना हो, कट। A मौलवी came and cut my thumb, sir. My thumb. A Maulvi came from Saudi and he cut. Now I have only 4 fingers. Namaz, Roza, Hajj, Zakat, but they are not eating. No connection to Iman because cut. One murid came to me and requested Hazrat Isa, Shah, yes. It's my request, please put foundation stone. I want to make a building. But everything is prepared? Yes, sir. Everything is prepared. Materials, architect, mud, sand, cement, concrete, rods, everything. Rod, cement, mortar, bricks, everything. I want to foundation stone by your hand. I go, okay. Where is land? He replied, I have no land. जमीन का है, बोले जमीन नहीं, सारा सामान है। मुझे बताओ जब जमीन नहीं है तो ये सामान काम आएगा? ये सरिया, ये सीमेंट, ये कंक्रीट, ये ब्रिक्स, ये काम आएंगे? जमीन नहीं है तो जिसके पास ईमान नहीं है तो ये नमाज, ये रोजा, ये हज, ये ज़कात काम आएगा? फिर कभी जलसा होगा तो मैं बताऊंगा। ये ईमान जो नमाज को बचाए, वो ईमान जो रोजे को बचाए, वो ईमान जो हज और ज़कात को बचाए, ऐसा ईमान देने वाले का नाम सुल्तान बाहू है और उस ईमान के बचाने वाले का नाम अहमद रजा है। न हम उस वली को छोड़ेंगे, न हम उस वली को छोड़ेंगे जिसने मुसलमान बनाया है, और ना उस आलिम दिल को छोड़ेंगे जिसने ईमान बचाया। तो बनाने वाले औलिया किराम है, बचाने वाले उलमाए अहले सुन्नत है। इसलिए आप उलमाए अहले सुन्नत के दामन से वाबिस्ता रहो, लगे रहो ताकि बचे रहो। वाह दावाना
Subhanallah, mashallah. This was His Eminence, Hazrat Tariqat, Hazrat Ghazi Millat, Hazrat Sayyid Muhammad Hashmi Mia Sahab, with a beautiful deliverance of Iman in Islam.